Today we are going to make a dish with doskai. Doskai is called Cucumis sativus, and it is from it's a family member of cucumber or squash or melon, or you can say gourd. So it's from that family member. And this doskai cucumis is used as salad, or you can add into your dals. It's a yummy thing. Slightly sour and sweet, so we can use in salads as well as our curries. So let us see what we are going to make today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope everybody is doing great. So hope everybody is watching my videos. If you have not watched my terrace garden videos, please do watch. It's really nice, it's interesting, and believe me, it's not difficult to maintain at all. And as you have sown your seeds in Adi Masam, right now you will be having abundant fruits and vegetables because it's raining heavily. So before we waste much of time, if you like my videos, please do share with your friends and make it at home, and please do not fail to subscribe. And keep following my videos till the end. Okay, before wasting much of time, let us see what all we need, what's cooking up in the kitchen today. So today we are going to make dosakai fritters, as it is raining. Dosakai, again, I have shown you cucumber, I have shown you many fritters, many pakoras. So this will be one of them. This is dosakai. It is very famous in Andhra. It is similar to the cucumber breed, but it is a slightly sour in taste. So I'll show you many dosakai chutney too. So okay, today we'll be making dosakai fritter. So what all we need is dosakai cut into long. Yeah, you have to remove the skin, take out the scoop of the seeds. Then you have here, I've taken quite few. It can be bigger than this. Okay, then we have the breadcrumbs. I have added chili flakes, little salt, and then I have added all-purpose seasoning to it. You can add even your omam, ajwain, cumin seed to Indian flavors if you want. Then I have taken oats, then all-purpose flour, and then you have for slurry. Slurry should be very thin. So what we'll be doing first is we'll be just coating with a little salt, because we have already added salt to this. Very little oil, salt to this, and chili flakes. Because dosakai is a bit bland, so you will be needing some tanginess to it. So you have this chili flakes. What I'll be doing, I'll be mixing the whole thing. Little salt into our all-purpose flour. Mix it well so that it gets coated evenly and the taste is correct. So this should be mixed properly. Okay, now let's move to our dosakai. Here. Now what we'll be doing is, first we will, with our left hand will be, this is all-purpose flour. First coating will be all-purpose flour. Dust it, and we'll be putting into our slurry, and from slurry we'll be taking and back into our breadcrumbs. So then back into our slurry once again to get a thicker coat. So we'll be doing with our oats. You can use dry hand for one thing, and you can use fork or other hand for, now the coating is done. So what we'll be doing is plating it. Or you can do even with your breadcrumb coating too. So in this way I'll be doing all, and we'll be frying it. What we can do is for 5 minutes you can keep it in the fridge, and then you can start your frying. After setting them for 10 minutes in the fridge, we are going to fry. So let's see. Always check your oil. Yeah, your oil is in the right temperature. Simmer your gas and very slowly slide your dosakai fritters. Children should really be very slow at this. Simmer your gas and cooking will be really easy. If you follow some techniques, you will start loving cooking at a very early age. And as you know, cooking is very necessary nowadays. Cooking has become one of the most luxurious thing now. Not cooking. After this pandemic, everyone knows how to cook. Yeah, let's see. Wow. So beautiful to see. Just see the color. Yeah. We'll take it out. They're so beautiful to see. Yeah. Just see. Wow. Yeah, it's so common in Andhra. Actually you get in Andhra and people make so many chutneys out of it. How beautiful they are. You can even fry fish in this method. You get finger fish. So dosakai fritters are ready. So yummy to see. So before we see through our eyes, first let us see, now let us taste. We'll be dipping into our tomato chili sauce. Since dosakai is sour and tomato sauce will go well. If you like even the mayo, you can try it with mayo. But tomato sauce, chili tomato sauce will go the best. It's hot. You have like a cucumber taste. You have like water got, it's water inside. Yet very tasty. The coating itself is giving yummy taste and enhancing the taste of dosakai. And dosakai is really, it is having a slight crunch. So let me have once more. Dosakai is too hot and stuff. Please go slow with it. And yummy. You can try out this dish. It's really, really nice. Have different varieties of fritters. And this is one of them. Watch my avocado fritters too. So have a great time. Thank you so much. Before I finish the whole thing, it's raining. It's a pleasant climate. You can finish the bowl. So share with everyone. Sharing is caring. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Rajni Sharma Madan. And keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day.